So we're at the rainforest. You can walk through. First thing you see is this cool waterfall. So it keeps going and going. And here we have a...
Just in the corner in this little cubby.
Something.
Oh, he ran up there.
It's supposed to be orangutan, but he ran away. He doesn't like me. So we'll have to go find other things. It's a baby monkey, born March 15th, 2016.
I don't see him.
We don't see him. We're assuming he's up in his little nesting thing. But that's so cute. When we come back, we'll have to look for him. One thing I love about the rainforest is all these plants and flowers and vines and all kind of stuff. Kristen loves playing on the vines and stuff.
I do.
But it's more than just animals. I mean, the zoo is really themed really well, but this is themed even better. These are pretty.
Medicine tree. Tropical almond.
Huh. So yeah, we will check this stuff out. And also see some animals and some fish and all kind of fun stuff. One option to get upstairs is the elevator. The other option is to climb up this tree with the lookout. We're going to climb up the tree. I mean, who wouldn't want to do this? Look at all the vines and pretty flowers. So cool up here.
It's a medicine tree plant. It's
Another.
a Swiss cheese plant.
Another medicine tree. So we're going to head into the research station and go from there. So this just gives examples of what a typical research station would look like. This is built around a tree, it looks like. This one. Let's see what kind of animals we got. I think we're going to have to go out to see all the animals. But yeah. This is a lot of cool stuff in here. It's a porcupine.
Oh, look at the thing underneath it.
But it looks so soft.
Look at the sloth underneath it.
And underneath? Oh, right there is a sloth.
I love this sloth.
Kristen loves sloths too. Next to giraffes, sloths are her next favorite thing.
Sloth's sleeping.
Look at this sloth.
He's taking a snooze.
Then can't see it, the porcupines right there. They seem so soft. I know they're all like needles and stuff, but the needles seem so soft.
Pet it one direction.
Yes. They're like cactuses. You only pet them one direction. This guy right here is a Brazilian Agouti. Agouti.
Hey, the female's larger than the male.
Doesn't mean anything. There he goes. Another cool thing is they have all kind of exotic birds in here too, just flying around.
Not my favorite.
Kristen's not personally a fan of, but this guy still sure is cute. So is this beaver?
It's a capybara.
Capybara. And he just went out of my frame.
But he's a giant anteater.
Way over there somewhere, there's a giant anteater.
Oh, look, there's two in there. They're playing now. Oh.
Sort of see him. There's the anteater.
He's a big one.
He's going back into his little
Oh, there's
cave.
a giant bug there for him. See it on the ledge?
Yeah, there's the bugs he eats, I'm assuming. I would guess. I'm not sure. I'm not an eater specialist. I just think he's really cool.
He likes the pace. He's very active right now.
Kristen's third favorite animal. I don't know. I lose track after the first one. Are turtles.
I don't know if it's my third favorite. I just think they're really cool.
I know she loves turtles. Yeah, I don't know where they stand on a favorite. I think it'd be cool to own a turtle. I know a bunch of people that have turtles or have had turtles. Look at him stretching his neck out. Yawning. Here, kitty, kitty, kitty. Here, kitty, 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 kitty.
No? Not gonna work?
The kitty's gone fishing. Because it's a fishing cat. Get it? Fishing cat's gone fishing?
Looks like he's sleeping, not fishing.
Oh. Monkey. Ooh, ooh,
My mom.
A long way down there.
They like to jump and climb.
He's hanging out right there. Also love the parrot. Love the colors on the parrot. So gorgeous. Can we get a parrot?
No.
Fishies.
I know
Beautiful
you want an
blue
exhibit
fish.
like this in your house, huh?
I'd love an aquarium this big in my house. What I really want, one day, is a turtle for our aquarium.
He's so cool.
So cool. Orangutans are so cute. He's just hanging out in the corner. His buddy's hanging out here on the rocks. Toads.
Black spine toad.
Think these are the same toads that I seen in our yard the other day?
Doubt it?
Okay. Relatives maybe?
Possibly.
Relatives maybe. This is one of my favorite frogs. The blue dart poison frog. I think they're so cool because they're blue. And they're poisoned. So it's like a double bonus. But we are in the amphibian section. So we will check out a bunch of amphibians. What do we have here? This is an Amazon milk frog. There he is.
Hi, buddy.
Just kind of hanging out.
Did you see the one back there?
There's some more of them up here.
There's one right here.
Probably my second favorite poisonous frog is the Greenham black poison dart frog. Too bad the camera doesn't want to focus zoomed in.
Here's two of them down here, one on top of the other.
Oh, there's a couple of them. Wonder if they're mating. I don't know. Looks like there's three of them in there.
Is that? Maybe.
Here we have some bats hanging out, eating some fruit and vegetables. Just like that. Every now and then you'll see one fly through. There's another one down there. There's a ton in there. I'm kind of
Actually be able to go in.
No, I think that was Pittsburgh.
Oh, was it Pittsburgh?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I'm excited for this season pass because it'd be sweet to just set a camera up right here and do like a time lapse of all of them flying back and forth. So one day I might just get to do that. That is the underneath of a Gecko Lizard. Very interesting. Probably just sticks to the glass like that. Weird. These guys are cool. They seem so gentle and innocent, but they're piranhas. They could clean a bone off of an animal in a matter of seconds.
Go ahead, stick your hand in there.
No, I'm not doing that. I love the whole look of it. Snake. This bugger's pretty active.
Wait, that's a turtle. That's his name. Wait, this is a different. See his tongue? It's a little tiger. Yeah. Tiger snake. Wrapped around a tree. That's
Are you afraid of monsters?
Uh-huh.
Here's a monster.
Oh no!
It's a
Scary.
green tree monster. Doesn't look that scary. Looks kind of boring. And way back there, mixed in with the trees and
Wow,
branches,
that thing is huge.
is. See if I can find a better angle. Not really. That's a rock python. It's not really good angle I can get, but he is huge. Let's see if I can find his head. There. I can barely see it. It's right there. There's his head.
I don't see his head. Oh yeah, I do now. Okay.
Now this is one of the coolest exhibits here. It's all one big exhibit. And it all starts down here. This is where the leaves are. These guys are leaf cutting ants. So all these little ants running around. It's hard to see on film. There they all are. They will cut leaves up. They'll bring them over to this chamber. They'll pick them up. And they'll carry them through here. Kristen's checking that out. And one day I'll do a whole video on just this. But here's a couple carrying the leaves. There they go. They carry them up through this tube. See the leaves moving along? They carry them through the tube. All the way. I should probably zoom out. Through here. There's some more. Leaves are on their journey. Then they come out here and drop the leaves off over here. But then they go up the anthill and carry them into the anthill and drop them off. So you see all the leaves and all these cracks and crevices came all the way from over there. I just think that's cool. Like I said, I'll do a whole video on this one day. This display is also cool because they replicate a real thunderstorm in a rainforest. Now there's porcupines back there on the other side. There's the porcupines. But we'll see if we catch a thunderstorm at some point. turtle. Turtle butt. He's going to hide.
I like his markings on his head.
So this, I forget the technical name of it, is actually a crocodile, or a version of a crocodile. One of the most endangered ones out there. As interesting as he is, this big turtle is more interesting to me. Look how big he is. Monkey. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah.
You like to ooh, ooh, ah, ah, don't you?
I do. It's a thing. So this is what the rainforest used to look like. With all the sawing and cutting and everything. That's what they look like now. That's kind of sad. And finally, look at how cute this guy is. The Marsusia. Oh, where'd he go? There's another one. They're so tiny and so cute. There he is, playing peekaboo. Peekaboo! Well, we're back into the heat.
Oh.
The rainforest was really fun.
Yes, it was.
We did kind of go a little quick through it. And we showed you maybe 50% of everything.
Yeah.
Which is fine because we'll be able to come back.
Whenever we want.
We have passes now. Can't beat that. And what I think we'll do is when we come back, I'm not sure if I'll do it on this channel or another channel, or we're still discussing that. But maybe like focus on one area of the zoo. Maybe focus on one animal group. I'm not sure yet. We'll do like special videos of something. Special animal groups, special areas of the park. And kind of get more in depth into the animals. Do a little more filming of them. We're still kind of working out in our heads. But something like that's coming soon. Hopefully that goes along with more advanced vlogs. Which this was not one of those.
Not at all.
But I am working on getting better at vlogging. I'm just not working that hard at it. I need to step it up pretty soon. Yeah. But we're gonna head home now.
No.
No. No, we're not. We're headed to dinner.
Uh-huh.
And boy, is it a good dinner.
I'm hungry.
If you've never been to a Melt before, Melt Bar and Grill, you're about to see something really cool. So we'll see you there. We are at the Melt Bar and Grill, and if you've never been here, they sell grilled cheese. But not just normal grilled cheese. All kind of special grilled cheese. But pretty much every single one of these is a sandwich with cheese and other stuff mixed in it. Really good. I recommend that everyone tries it at least once. The food is huge, like the sandwiches are huge, the fries are, you get a ton of them. We always buy one thing and split it. Sometimes we throw in an appetizer. Not sure what we're doing yet, but we will let you know. I love that sign. It's so cool. The other thing I love, or not love, I say I love everything I really like, are all these old plastic yard decorations for all the holidays. And the reason I like them is because these are the decorations I used to have growing up as a kid. For all the seasons. Mainly Christmas, but we have a bunch of these. Appetizer has arrived. These are mac and cheese bites. They're There's nothing bite-sized about this. These are like mac and cheese wedges, but they're super good, so we're going to dig in. So this is our sandwich. It's our Prima Italy, which is pretty much a Italian parm sandwich. This is the other half. We just bought one and split it. That's how big these things are.
They're huge.
They're huge. And also very, very good. Well guys, we made it back home. Dinner was super good. And we are super tired. We came home, watched a couple videos. A couple NCISs. Chris is just kind of hanging out. Along with me. There she is.
I made it.
But yeah, we just relaxed the rest of the night. The heat really kind of took it out of us. Thumbs up if you liked the video and you want to see more of these. It's probably a two-parter, so you may not be seeing this until the second half. But don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, and Facebook. We're doing better at using all of those. You can find us at the Rush Vlog on all those. And we will talk to you guys tomorrow.
Good night.
Good night.